Good morning. Now I'm on my way to one of the beautiful waterfalls in Mpumalanga. I'm going to explore this hidden gem of Sabie in Mpumalanga. This waterfall is hidden. There's no sign or road sign that tells you about this waterfall. So it's called Shires in Bowman Waterfall. So it's just hidden. You have to know it to find it. I just want to catch the sunrise. It looks so misty today. Look. So I don't know if I shall be able to catch the sunrise, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see this. So let's go there. Now I'm going to the fall. It's over there. Now there are trees, cutting trees, and they fell here. You can't go in here. Not anymore. Let's check this side. It's no longer a pretty good side. Maybe as soon as they have cleaned up the place, it's no longer that impressive. Let's hope they're gonna fix it, and then we'll come again when all is fixed. And the graves are up there. We have to go this road, and then you go up. Somewhere there are those graves, but now it's not gonna work. This is a failed mission. I'll come again next time when everything is fine. But I also managed to take some footage, so we. not conducive here. It's even raining.